Hi there, my lovely friends. I know most of you are heading towards your exam on the 18th of August, and the second batch has it on the 28th of August. So, all the best for your coming exam. And I thought of uploading a video on a very important topic. It's quite different as well. So, this video is about a lockdown drill in a school, and it's really important for TLS Pedagogy exam. So, let's see what I have in store for you. So in this video, I'm going to highlight what is a lockdown drill in school. Moreover, I'll also be discussing why do schools need to conduct a lockdown drill? What's the need for that? Furthermore, I'll also be throwing some light on what is the procedure or what are the steps of a lockdown drill? What do you do when you have to conduct a lockdown drill? And last but not the least, I'll also be showcasing that what is the importance of color coding in a lockdown drill. So let's see that what is a lockdown drill in a school. Basically, it is conducted. The purpose is to practice procedure in the event of a violent intruder. In case there is an intruder in the school, teachers gather students out of hallways into the classrooms. That is step number one. Doors to the classrooms are locked, lights are turned off, and everyone stays away from the doors and windows and out of the line of the vision. This is just the definition has been encapsulated in the best possible manner, including all the steps of a lockdown drill. So let's see that why do schools need to conduct a lockdown drill? What's the need for that? So we are quite familiar with the term lockdown by now because of the COVID-19, but the scenario in a school is a bit different than the lockdown for the COVID-19. So let's see. Lockdown drills are a set of procedures basically which are designed to have the occupants in a building familiarize themselves with the ways to protect themselves against a threat. Basically, we want our students to be protected, to be well versed, and we give them thorough practice with some rigorous lockdown drills that in case of an emergency situation they're already familiar with it, with the procedures, that what do they have to do in case there is an armed intruder in the school. So what are they supposed to do? Just like the fire drill, we prepare them for an unseen situation where there is fire, or the earthquake drill. Similarly, we prepare our students to be in a safest place in case there is an intruder in the vicinity of the school. So what do you do in a lockdown drill? What are the procedures? What are the steps? Step number one is that doors to the classrooms are locked. They are closed and locked. Step number one, you ensure that your students are inside the classroom, not roaming around in the hallways. Students are moved to the safest part of the room, away from the windows and doors to the interior walls. Step number two is that students are moved to the safest part of the room. You don't let them be in front of the door, so that in case of an emergency, in case an intruder just comes inside the classroom, students are not ready to be attacked. Instead, they are in a hidden place where they are not accessible immediately, and they're away from the windows because there can be firing on the windows or some other emergency situation, to the interior walls. So everyone drops to the floor out of the line of the vision. Basically, the purpose of dropping to the floor is that you are not immediately accessible. You are not you are out of the line of the vision from the door. And step number four is that window shades are pulled down, lights are turned off, so that it gives an impression that there is complete silence, and this is a pretend situation that there is nobody inside the class. When I was thinking about it, I was just recalling different events we've seen in news, that unfortunately there have been plenty of incidents where there were some intruders, and they just barged in a school and they opened fire. But thanks to the lockdown drill, many students' lives have been saved because of that. So that's why it's important to conduct a lockdown drill to save our students, to ensure the safety of the staff members and the students. Also, this drill is a bit different than the fire drill or the earthquake drill because there is a great importance of the color coding being played. So let's see what is that all about. Depending on the situation, a school may go into a red code or yellow code lockdown. So what's a red code lockdown? A code red means that an incident is occurring at a school or very nearby. So there is a lot of danger prevalent in your school or nearby. So that's why you have to go in a state of complete lockdown. But a code yellow means that an incident is taking place in the neighborhood or there is less serious threat on the campus, but the danger is there in a nearby building. So that's why you still need to be in a lockdown condition. But fortunately, your school is safe, but the danger is still there. That's why, to ensure the safety, the yellow code lockdown is conducted. And the green lockdown, the color green means that you are in an all clear situation, the danger is no more there, and students are safe to be out of their classes. So that was a short video from my side. This is an unusual topic, that's why I thought of informing all of you. Best of luck for your exam, and don't forget to like this video and comment on it because this is really important for my stability on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video.